Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today the topic of my video is Helichrysums. These are cousins to sunflowers, belong to sunflower family, and they are also called straw flowers or everlasting flowers, and common name is in here in India is paper flower because they look like paper. They are hard, their petals are hard, and they are not they are not like petals of normal flowers. They are just like plastic or paper, and they are very thirsty plants. You have, if you grow them in pots, then you have to water them 2 or 3 times a day, and otherwise the top of the plant droops, and that means it shows you that it needs water, and then you have to water it again and again. And it is a thirsty plant. It likes fertilizer of any kind. You can give fertilizer, organic, vermicompost, any kind of fertilizer, NPK. So many colors are there in this plant: yellow, white, pink, red, and even mixed colors and double colors in double shades. See, I have 5 to 6 plants I'm showing you, and I have grown them in pots, and they need a lot of water. I keep on watering them, still they are thirsty, I feel. And they are beautiful. Flowers are very beautiful. They take a lot of time to open, and otherwise they are hardy plants, but the flower is takes a lot of time to open, and they are very tall plants. They can be used as border plants, I think, in fields. And if you want to give a flowering border or flower border, then you can use this tall this Helichrysum, and it is a plant which lasts for a long time. That is why it is called everlasting plant. And this flower can be used as cut flower also, but the stem perishes, the branch it decays, and you have to put a wire or so that to keep it straight. It's the stem decays, but the flower is intact. And after about 15 to 20 days, it can be okay. The flower is always blooming, and after that it starts giving seeds. This plant is said to have antifungal and antibacterial properties, and essential oil is also made from Helichrysum plants. And that Helichrysum, these plants essential oil is made by steam filtration process, and the oil is used for skin inflammation, and it is very popular in America. And it takes lot of flowers to make essential oil. So these flowers are useful and beneficial, and at the same time they are so beautiful, ornamental, and soothing, and also very eye-catching, attractive. These plants are very tall plants. See, these are tall plants, and these flowers are now giving seeds. The yellow part in the middle is the cap. When it turns brown, as I'm showing you, then you can just open it and you can get the seeds. So seeds can be made easily, can be collected easily from the plant. And see, this is yet to bloom. In the same pot, I grew the seedlings, and one plant is giving seeds, and other is just going to bloom.